Hi guys, and welcome to Phoenix and the Noms. So I thought I would show you a recipe I make for oat milk. It is crazily simple. It is a lot more simple than I thought. I make it in a Ninja, okay? It's like a little smoothie blender called Ninja, but you can use any blender, whatever you have. So these are the Ninja canisters, and they hold about 2 cups of water each, or you could just fill it till the max line. It's the same thing, 2 cups each. So you'll need half a cup of oats. Okay, so I just throw half a cup in each container. So if you have a blender or whatever that's bigger, you can just put 1 cup in your entire blender. Then you need a tablespoon of maple syrup. And this is only because, A, I have maple syrup in the house. I am Canadian after all. And we like it a little sweeter here. Kind of gives it a good flavor. And 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Okay. Now, so you don't have to put like 1 teaspoon, 1 teaspoon, 1 tablespoon, 1 tablespoon. It's just between the two, it's 1 teaspoon vanilla, 1 tablespoon of maple syrup. Half a cup of oats, half a cup of oats. Now you're going to fill 2 cups of water in each, or just till the max line. I really had no idea how simple making oat milk was. I thought it was complicated, and it really isn't. Okay, so there you go. I'm full to the max line. And you take your blade for your Ninja, screw it on, get your machine, put it in the machine. It's gonna be loud. You just let it go for what you think is, right. What you think enough time that the oats have, buzzed up. And you can see the difference right away, right? So what I got myself was an oat bag, it's called. It's either organic cotton or organic hemp. You can find them in different materials. This is just a stainless steel bowl I have. And you just pour it right in to your bag. Okay, and I push it aside because I have to do the second one. Okay, so if you had, like I said, if you had a blender or something that can hold all that, it would be a lot faster. Pour the second one in. Okay. Now, you want to take your bag. It does have a drawstring. You can pull the drawstring, but I don't bother. I just grab it like this. Okay, and you start to twist your bag. And it all starts to drip out. It does take, a little bit of time, but it doesn't take that much time. And just think, by doing it this way, it literally costs you pennies. You don't have to have a carton to throw in the garbage or the recycling if it's recycling in your area. And you're saving so much money. It's incredible how much money you're saving. Because oat milk here used to be $3 a carton, Canadian that is. And it's gone up to, oh my goodness, I think it's almost $5 now. And almond milk is actually a little bit more expensive. So you keep twisting until you get as much out as possible. Keep on going. what I do is I actually, see, take it apart. And everything's on this side. So I'll actually move it over to this side a little bit to try and squish more out. And it's very creamy. Tastes really good. I think that's what I like about it the most, is that it actually turned out really creamy. And we use it in cereals, coffees, teas, race recipes, anything you would use regular milk for. We use oat milk. And look, we've only been doing this video for what, 7 minutes so far? Maybe less. Okay, so this is it. So this is as much as I can squeeze out. Now inside is going to be all your pulp, okay? So if you want to show you that. Okay, see that? That's all your old pulp. Keep it, don't get rid of it. If you're going to make almond cookies or any kinds of cookies or cakes or recipes or smoothie, oatmeal, anything, keep that and throw it in what you're making. Okay, don't waste it. And what's even cooler about it is you can put it in your freezer and you can use it whenever you want. So I just take a mason jar, clean mason jar, and I pour it in. Okay, so that's how much it makes. It's like 4 cups, something like that. And this will last in your fridge for about 4 days, or you can go 5 days sometimes. Put the lid on and we write the date, March 25th, and I write that on and I keep it in my fridge so I know. And usually it doesn't last. It's gone within a few days if the kid's having a lot of cereal or if I'm doing a lot of baking. Now what you're going to notice is after a while in your fridge, it's going to settle. Okay, all the bits, they're going to settle to the bottom, and then the top is going to be very clear and see-through. Okay, so you have to shake it. Every time you use it, you need to shake it. Okay, and that is how easy it is to make oat milk. Don't waste your money and buy it in the store. Give it a go and see if you like it. And if you try it, let me know. You might be surprised.